Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing video of my first ever GMK Keycap set. If using GMK is something normal to you, like if you use them on every single one of your keyboards, GMK is nothing new or special. I know, I'm just excited. It's my first ever GMK set. I'm broke now, so at least let me make a video of it. I never thought I was actually able to own a GMK set because of how expensive they are. So finally being able to get my hands on one is kinda like an achievement. Honestly, owning a GMK is not a must in this hobby, it's a luxury. Why did I get one? Simply because I wanted to try. And of course, bad financial decision. I've been using clones for quite some time now, and I thought I wanted to try what some people call them genuine keycaps. By the way, I don't think there's anything wrong with using clones, so don't ever feel like you need to own a GMK just because you're into keyboards. Only if you can afford them, then go for it. Anyways, this video is just me sharing my little excitement of finally owning a GMK set. I started with iFei and then I moved on to EPPT. That was already quite an achievement, and then now I finally got my GMK set. Can't wait to try them, and I might do a quick comparison between these keycap sets, GMK versus EPPT, and maybe the clones as well.